Alright, now we're gonna try this again and play. I hope you better all behave. If not, then you don't get this no more. Yeah. Well, certainly, I wanna not. Oh, hey! Hey, what are you doing? Oh, I'll get it. Oh! How did I get up here? What? What the? Who the? Hey, it's that plumber, frog, and bear that we saw at the wrestling ring match. Yeah. I wonder if the rancor knows anything about this. So I think there's a bone with me. Hey, rancor. Hey. Tell me, you stinking lizard primitive. What? While I was up there, I wonder if you ever noticed anything suspicious. Like, have you ever met a plumber, a frog, and a bear before? What? What are you talking? Show me. Here. Oh, thanks. Get down. Oh my goodness. I know those two are right. But just them, that penguin, especially Shamu the Whale. And who is that? Who is this white seal? Oh, whatever she is. Gee, maybe this is my time to get revenge on them. And something like that. This would be awesome. Rancor. There's also something else there besides that. A white sheep. Also, that other whale, shamu, I saw this whole time after. Well, it was before when you tried to, what? When you were trying to play when you tried your alligator buddy Sturgis to play nice. But I was watching this before that happened down there. Then Piper here. That's Roddy Piper to you. But whatever. So anyway, that's what I saw. And actually the whale Shamu himself bought a necklace that might be valuable too. We must get it from the penguin that's over there. Yes, indeed. Pipe Roddy and Joker. We're gonna keep them. Alright, you four knuckleheads down there. Hey, pipe brains. Yeah? Yes. Get up. Oh. Come here. We got a plan over there. You remember Shamu the Whale and Tony Mario? Yes. I got a plan. Let's plan this watch. What are we doing? Oh yeah, right. Alright. You three over here. Ma, Larry, Curly. No. You're gonna sneak that way. You're gonna sneak that way over there. Grab the white seal, whatever her name is. I'll take care of Me, Joker, Piper, and Larry. Actually, wait a minute. You're Larry. Yeah. Alright. You Howard brothers will sneak over there and get her. And we'll take care of the rest of the four. Oh, by the way, for you three, Shamu and Curly, just kill Shamu who tries to stop you. You'll deal with him too. Larry, you get the frog. Joker, you get the bear. You get the penguin. Oh, I gotta deal with a bird-brained man. Yes, and I'll get Tony. Move out. With pleasure. Ha ha. That's right, you chocolates. That's right, you chocolates. Oh, certainly. Stick in the water, you chuckles. Come on. Let's go. Oh no! No! Wait, actually, I'm alright here. Always getting confused. Curly saint. Oh no! Guys, Cloudy's been taken over there by the crowd, by the rancors, alligators. Shamu, look! Oh no, what does this mean then? Let's go! Hey, wait up for me. Look out, mates. Trouble coming. Uh-oh. Oh. It's rancor. Hello, Tony. What do you want this time? I'm not here for shamu. I'm here for that. I'm here for her. You mean Cloudy? Oh, that's her name, Cloudy, alright. Yeah, revenge on Shamu and you. And also, where is the necklace from that penguin over there? What necklace? That Shamu bought from that bear with the red tie. You'll never get Paprika. Anyway, I'll fight you for it. Oh no! Where is that? You know what I'm saying? Where is that necklace? I don't know, man. You don't know? Then what is this? A necklace, mate. Thanks. I got it, rancor. Throw it in my mouth. Alright. Give me that. Oh! I'll maybe chain you up. I'm gonna break your teeth. Uh-oh, Shamu's in trouble. Ah! Ah, you back up, yo. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Shopping Curly again. Oh, left, it's me. Hey, I'm still stuck over here. Ah! Yeah! Ah! 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 Yeah! Ah! Ah! That mate. I'm going to fire. Ah! Oh, oh, oh. That sucker. I guess hold on to this to me for now, huh? Which I have. Hey, what have you done to my pals? Ah! Hey, wait a minute. Wait. Don't forget to get over there. Oh! Shame. You wanna come and get it? Help me! Nah. Excellent. Come on, don't be so serious. Hey, where'd everybody go? Hootie! Oh no. I'll take care of Joker. You guys go save Cloudy. Come on, poor man, let's go. Hey, Joker. Yes? Back away. Nobody mess with shamu. Ah! No! Oh. Take that. Oh. Looks like everybody's down. Oh! No! Oh! You! I can't breathe. Cloudy, she's saved. Yes? Oh, crap. Oh, look at this. He's gonna give her the necklace. Alright, mate. Go get her. Aww, look at that. Romance. Oh, look at that. Ha. What a whale, mates. See, I told you. I told you, boys. Look at that. This is love, alright. Yeah. Look at that. So what now? I don't know, mates. Let's enjoy ourselves like they are. Ha. I know what to do. We should do. Oh, ah! Anyone up for some volleyball? Tony. Oh, let's play. Hey, Pee-wee, come play. Oh, sure. Hey, anyone else to play? Oh, this mates. I guess I'll go join them in the water. I'll play with his. Oh, there we go, mates. Woo! Well, looks like that ends today with our episode of Tony the Superhero Bomber, folks. Well, looks like they two out there did work out. Told you, you never know when you find. You never know when you fall in love and find someone and protect them and fight for them. Hey, get over here. Let me finish the talking. Thanks for the love, thing, the thing you said to the audience just now. Alright, your turn, champ. Anyway, see you next time, folks, on Tony the Superhero Plumber. This concludes from last time when I saved Shamu from the rancor when we first meet all of them. This time, looks like Shamu saved Cloudy for her. And, yep, so, bye now. And I think there's still a drowning. So we gotta get them out of this sooner or later. Ha! Well, let's head back to playing volleyball. I'll let you tell me, Mario.